My last video was December 11th of 2024, and it is now January the 2nd, 2025. The original gas tank that was in this old Airstar Mongoose was pretty rough looking, so I decided to go ahead and order a brand new one. Just came today from Shirley Gas Power Thoughts. This is a really nice Nalgene bottle that is rated for gasoline, and on the back here, it's kind of hard to see, it says 500 milliliters or 16 ounces. It says HDPE, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Nalgene, it's Nalgene. Anyway, with the way these helicopters are designed, the fuel tank goes through here, and I marked my holes so that the writing will actually be facing up on the other side. Not that that's going to matter, because what happens is the muffler comes out on this side here, so the fuel tank is very close to this, and this can get pretty hot. So with all of my helicopters like these, I always like to take and put heat tape on there, and that just kind of insulates the fuel tank from heat from the exhaust pipe. It would probably be worse if that part of the muffler was metal, because that would transfer more heat. So this is just a little bit of insurance. The gas tank is made out of a high-grade plastic, so for me, I would rather err on the side of caution. Just a little bit of insurance, hopefully protect the gas tank from heat from being so close to the muffler that routes right past the fuel tank. I haven't really seen anybody else who does this, but you can buy this heat tape at any automotive store like AutoZone or O'Reilly's. Usually I only put 2, but I try to overlap that a little bit for the top piece there. Right now, I don't have enough money to buy the electronics. I was searching online, and I found they recommend low profile servos for the swash with the cyclic. So those things are pretty expensive. They're basically $250 a piece. So for 4 servos for the swash, that ends up being a little over $1,000. So that's obviously very expensive. And this sticks really well. I've had this on my other Airstar Mongoose for a long time, and it stayed on there really well. So next step, I'm going to have to drill 3 holes, and I've marked them out. So the trick is, like, this part of it is rounded, so you don't want the hole on the rounded part. You want your hole to be in the area where it's flat, and you don't want them to be too close together, because these rubber pieces extend out pretty far. So you just want to make sure they have enough clearance from the other one. Let's see, with the drill bits, it looks like that's 2 1/8. It's a pretty big bit. So I'm hoping this drills pretty well. It's hard to get that to stay on. The drill bit wants to slide. Okay, so you want to clean out all the shavings from drilling. Get that nice and cleaned up. That kind of popped inside. And these fuel tanks cost $10.99.